In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall MotiveWave. Now to do this, first you want to close down MotiveWave, so you want to click on the X button top right, and then of course shut down by clicking yes. There we go, the first step is done. Then you want to make sure it's actually closed on your computer, so make sure it's not in here at all, so it's not open. If it is, right click and exit it, or right click over here on your taskbar, click on Task Manager, and then make sure MotiveWave is nowhere over here. So go to the top and type in Motive, and there we go. As you can see, MotiveWave is not available for me, which means it's not open. After you've done this, go to the search button up top, up at the bottom over here, and then search for installed apps. So it's going to look like this over here. Click on the installed apps whenever you find it, and it's going to open up the installed apps on your computer. And then from here, you simply want to look for MotiveWave. So you could either scroll, or you can just go to the top to search apps and type in Motive, and there we go, MotiveWave, and then your version is going to be in here. Simply click on the three dots at the far right to open up more options, and then click on the uninstall button, and then click on the uninstall button again. Now it may ask you for a few permissions on your computer, and then it's going to say, are you sure you want to do this? Click on yes over here, wait for a few seconds, and there we go. As you can see, it's been successfully removed from your computer. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.